Good everyone, good everyone. This is Budgetary Revolution. So guys, yes, today we'll be basically analyzing US30, see what US30 is holding for us for this upcoming week. So basically today is the 29th of January, so we'll be basically analyzing from the 30 to the 2nd of February, which is the NFP day. First Friday of a new month is NFP, guys. So we'll be basically trading NFP too. So if I'm not busy by that time, we'll be trading NFP live. Everyone who will be joining live, or we'll initially share our results on NFP. So without any waste of time, let's jump to the purpose of the video. So basically, guys, we'll be analyzing US30. As we analyze US30, we'll basically start on a higher time frame. As we have said, we'll be analyzing for the whole upcoming week. So we'll be jumping to our weekly time frame. As you can see, we are on US30, guys. So basically, what we do when we get on a US30, we look for the overall direction. Uh, for that, as we both can agree, for the overall direction, we can basically, we are having a buy, right? We're having a buy. We have a very ascending channel going upwards, right? The bullish trend. So basically, for us to confirm the channel, we basically just duplicate the lower trend line. As you can see, it corresponds very well with the diagonal support over here. Remember, this is our diagonal resistance, this is our diagonal support. Even where, okay, we're not there. Anyway, as we know, and as we have seen our trend, our overall direction, we basically just spot out some supply and demand. Yeah, so yeah, I forgot which supply with demand, but I think this one is demand, right? Ish. Yeah, yeah, guys, this is demand anyway. So we'll get our supply right over there. Our supply should be right over here, right? This way we'll get our supply. This is our supply. This is our supply. So basically, I used to say in most of the videos or the truth I do is that no, this is supply. Is that there are so many lingo in forex. Lingo meaning like terms in J. There's so many terms in forex, guys. They will tell you sell at supply by at demand, sell at resistance by at support, sell high by low. You see, so you get confused sometimes. So that's why in most cases I tell people to follow one person. When you see someone who basically trade your style, just follow that person. Because if you follow too many people, you'll basically get distracted and confused. So we're not there anyway. We have spotted our supply and we have spotted our demand, and we know we are basically in an ascending structure. If we have our ascending structure with a bullish trend, basically jump to a lower time frame, which is a day time frame. On a daily time frame, we still need to analyze a little bit further more. As you can see, let's zoom out a little bit. So this is what we have on a daily time frame. I like to zoom a little bit out. So we both can agree we see a structure like type. Let me just move to a line chart. You see, on a line chart we had a structure over here. We had a structure over here. Let me just put some trend lines so that we can see what I'm talking about, right? See what we're talking about, right? This is what I'm getting, right? This is what I'm getting. Is it accurate though? Okay. When it's like this, we'll just basically use the candlesticks. As you can see, is on it's moving around its wicks or the shadows. Yeah. So basically, in course we have so many ways. So basically, we'll just duplicate that one to the downside. Let's just hold it. Duplicate. So when you're duplicating, guys, you're just using control and then you just drag whatever that you wanna drag. So basically, I was not giving anything accurate in J. So let's just move it to a line chart. We just we just drag it around. Uh, see what it gives us. Okay, people can agree this look a little bit more accurate on the descending channel that we have. And the descending channel, if we extend our diagonal resistance, now resistance no longer, yeah, our diagonal resistance when the price was under here, now it's our diagonal support, because the price has broken it, now it becomes a support. The price managed to break and it came back to support, giving us a little bit of a W. Or there's so many patterns that I could talk about right over here. So it came back and retest and shot to the upside, right? So let's just move to a candlestick chart and zoom in. Basically, we both can agree. From right over here, we are heading to the upside, right? This is what the market is saying right now. The market is saying. So let's just move to a lower time frame, which is 4 hour. So yeah, from 4 hour, guys, let me zoom out a little bit so you can get the point where we are. You see, we are at the retest, right? So when we are at the retest on 4 hour, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We just need to spot our highs and lows, guys. Our highs and lows, our previous highs and lows. This is our previous high. This is where the market returned, and it didn't seem to have any potential of going there anytime soon. As it returns over here, it kicked over here, it returns, and stuff like that. So basically, we have our high over there, and we spot our low over somewhere over right over here. Our current low over here. So this is our low, guys. Yeah, this is our low. From there, what we need to do, let's just zoom in. Let's just zoom in. As you know, we can both agree that giving a little bit of rejection over here. We have a rejection over here. Will not be catering for the high as we have catered if we that line over there that says this is our previous high, right? Now we're catering for what we're seeing right over here. We have our first rejection over here. It came, okay, it broke, but and then the sellers got in power saying, no, we want the price to go down. As we got over here, give us a little bit of a strange double double top and shot to the downside, give us a what? A double bottom, shot to the upside. So it ranged and ranged till it broke, come back to retest. As we all can agree that right over here, guys, we had what? We had rejection over here. So it failed to break first, it came down, we fell a W type and retest, and it failed to break it. Once it broke, it came back to retest and shot to the upside, right? And we both can agree right over there, guys. Right over there, where it touched and got out, guys, is that we are having what is it? Our double top, right? Right over here. Right over there, we are having our double top. I'm having a little bit of a significant problem here with my screen just locked out on me. Just move to a lower screen. Yeah, right over here we're having a double top, so it shot to the downside. So now our focus is on this trend right over here. We can both agree again that we're having an ascending channel right over here. This is our ascending channel, right? This is our ascending channel. So when you zoom in a little bit, you just want to focus on that one, right? Then we're going to duplicate our diagonal support right over here just to come a little bit over here. So when you move to a line chart, you know it has cleared and it's above actually where the price have actually turned, not where the price have gone and returned. So the wicks are just where the price had been, and then it continued to go down. So yeah, guys. So basically from here, what we're going to do, we're just gonna zoom out a little bit. So I wanna move this to a bigger screen. I don't know, so I'm having trouble with the other screen, so we're just gonna leave it. As you can see what's happening, just gonna leave it. Let me drag this aside. Anyway, yeah, we're here, guys, and now I'm not going to see because the video is going to take only 15 minutes. So anyway, this is where we are, right? This is where we are, right? And just gonna move on to a little bit 1 hour time frame to cater for this. What I'm seeing right over here, we also have another ascending structure inside this structure. As this is our trends in trends, basically we had an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. Now it's ranging downtrend. You say it's impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. So basically from here, what you're seeing when you have an ascending structure, we're basically waiting for what? For a sell opportunity, right? We're waiting for a sell opportunity. This is basically our first TP right over here. Yeah, I'm saying. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom out a little bit. Since we didn't cater for this, let me cater for it a little bit faster now. I know I might be speaking a little bit faster because of time and because of the difficulties that we've come across as we are recording this video. I don't know what's going on with my bigger screen, so it made us to jump to this smaller screen. Anyway, as we all can understand, from where we are right now, I'm just gonna like move this around. This is what we're looking for on Monday. Remember, the price might continue go up as it hasn't. The market is not exhausted yet. The market will get exhausted when it get maybe to this level or to the higher high as we have marked the market. This doesn't mean that the market is going to sell. It is the possibility that we are seeing based on the chart patterns. Based on the chart patterns, when we have this rising wedge where it's supposed to sell, right? It's supposed to sell when it sells. So basically, this is what we got. We just mark our TPs. This is our first TP. I wanted to touch something because last week we were looking at Nasdaq. So I wanted to just give a little bit of the update on it, on what actually happened as we did talk about it. So I just wanted to touch it again. But anyway, just give it out to right over here. This will be a second TP. This will be a second TP, guys. So basically, this is our third TP. Let's just mark it instead. I was just going to leave it in here, but anyway, let's just mark it. This is our third TP, right? So this is what we will be looking for tomorrow. This is what we'll be looking for. If the market might even give us a little bit of double top over here, and then as a confirmation of going down, then we'll be selling right over here if the market sells. If remember, you don't control the market, so I will be selling. So either way, guys, it is what it is. So anyway, let's just leave there. I wanted to touch something on what is it, Nasdaq. If guys, okay, this is what we're analyzing right over here. So I said, let me just move to a lower time frame. I remember I was talking about this. I told those who tuned in to this. I said, if the market breaks our little bit of a zone here, if it breaks our zone, then we are looking for a continuation to the upside. But if it breaks our diagonal support, then we'll be looking for another retest on our diagonal support, right? On a diagonal support. Let's move to a higher time frame. We were looking into two options, which is we were looking for a bullish flag. Maybe it might play a little bit, but also we had an ascending triangle, and as we have ascending triangle, we're looking for a bullish trend, a long opportunity. So it did break, guys. We're still heading for long, so we might even get a retest to our latest diagonal support over here. So yes, guys, it did break to the upside. So if you took the signal, yes, we were right, guys. We were right. It did buy at our diagonal, not the diagonal, at our ascending triangle. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. And sorry for any difficulties that we came across. And so audio, I'm basically waiting for the equipment for the mic. So basically now I'm recording using the laptop, but it's fine. The audio will be fixed using a period of February to March. We'll get our mic. So thanks for tuning in. This is our last week video. We'll tune in right over there. And thanks for supporting, guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and if you like the video. So thanks for tuning in today. Bye.